Hello, my name is Jasmin Deller from EM Technik, and today I'll introduce our Series 1 Plus connectors to you. Our 1 Plus connectors are characterized by the following advantages. They withstand high pressures, they are quick and easy to assemble, and they are simple to use. And all this with the highest quality and absolute safety. We achieved this because our latest generation of connectors consists of only two parts: the connector body and the pressure screw. The clamping ring is already integrated into the pressure screw. This prevents incorrect assembly and the loss of individual parts. In our 1 Plus series, the connecting sleeve is protected against external influences by its internal embedding. Damage is virtually impossible. The new design can be mounted hand-tight without tools and is already absolutely tight in this state. Nevertheless, a gap-free assembly using the fork wrench would be possible. Our 1 Plus series is available in various nominal diameters, as well as in different thread types and materials. All variants have one great advantage. The connectors can withstand pressures of up to 16 bar. Our 1 Plus series, reliable as always, absolutely tight and safe, simply better.